Welcome to TeamOB Task Management, your comprehensive solution for streamlined task organization and collaboration. With TeamOB, you can effortlessly manage tasks, allocate resources, and track progress, all within one intuitive platform. Say goodbye to scattered spreadsheets and disjointed communication. TeamOB brings your team together, empowering you to achieve your goals efficiently and effectively. From planning and prioritizing tasks to assigning responsibilities and monitoring timelines. Creating and assigning tasks is simple with TeamOB. Just choose the project, write a task title, select the assignee, set the due date, optionally attach files, add a detailed description, and click Post. Your user will then receive an email notification. To access detailed instructions for a task, simply click on the task link. From there, you can view task progress, priority, attached files, and overall task activities. Task participants can write comments. Each conversation triggers an email notification to notify everyone about the new updates. From the task listing, you have the option to update the task status or reassign the task to other team members. To filter tasks by project, simply select the desired project from the drop-down menu. This will display only the tasks associated with that project. The top tabs include All Tasks, lists all tasks present in the project. My Tasks, displays tasks assigned to you. Overdue, lists tasks that have exceeded their due dates. In the top right corner, you'll find quick stats on closed, resolved, and in-progress tasks. You can create a new task type, which will be available for all projects. The task type can be available to select in Task Setup page, under Task Type drop-down. When creating a new task, you also have the option to make it recurring. Choose the start date, recurring frequency, and expiry date. Based on these settings, the system will automatically create the task and assign it to users accordingly. All files referenced by tasks are accessible in the Files section. You can establish milestones within the project and create a number of tasks under each milestone. This feature is beneficial for monitoring and managing project progress. The TeamOB project report provides a detailed view of project status. You can see total hours spent so far, project completion percentage. In the delay status, the last task is completed. You also have the option to write notes or provide references to project planning documents in the note column. TeamOB extends beyond task creation solely through the web portal. We provide predefined templates that can be linked to specific projects to generate tasks and synchronize their status back to Google Sheets. Additionally, we offer a mobile app that allows you to create tasks in the TeamOB system while commuting.